All right, let's talk about Cloud Next Generation Firewalls, or NGFW. It's a fully distributed fire service with advanced protection capabilities, microsegmentation, and pervasive coverage. When you go and type in firewalls, which is how we've always thought about firewalls, at least prior to whenever this was introduced, 2021. Firewalls was the service, and then it got renamed to firewall policies and shoved under NGFW. So when I talk about firewalls, it's really under Cloud Next Generation Firewall, okay? But I'm not going to constantly say Cloud Next Generation Firewall. I'm just going to say firewalls, and that's going to be referred to the firewall policies, okay? But there are different tiers of NGFW. I'm only really familiar with the essential one, as I've never upgraded beyond it, but we have essentials, which allows you to create policies and rules and whatever you normally do with firewalls. For standard, there's a few extra things. Obviously, everything essential is going to be in standard and going up the tree here. But for standard, we have fully qualified domain name objects in firewall policy rules to filter incoming, outgoing traffic from or to specific domains. It also has geolocation object in firewall policy rules to filter external IPv4, IPv6 traffic based on specific geographic locations and regions. You also have Google Threat Intelligence for firewall policy rules. Then for enterprise, you get advanced layer 7 security capabilities and signature-based IPS IDS. Again, very straightforward. Yeah, I'm going to keep saying firewalls, but yeah, technically it's NGFW, okay?